Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hey, let me tell you what. Last weekend was an awesome weekend. June the 12th, 2021 was the 8th anniversary of the Latanier Cookers. They started off at Palmetto Island State Park in Abbeville, Louisiana. And hey, the Latanier Cookers are still at it. They got an awesome crowd. The gathering was great. The membership is wonderful. We've got branches all over Louisiana, Chad. They're part of the Louisiana Dutch Oven Society. And let me tell you what, it's all so good, all so good. Anyway, I put together this little video of last weekend. I hope you enjoy it. Everything come out awesome, let me tell you. What more can I say? Hey, look, I'm going to throw a little bit of information in there at the end of this little video about Palmetto Island State Park. Let me tell you what, check it out yourself. It's all good, Chad. You'll see. Anyway, this is Chef Bourque. Enjoy the music, enjoy the folks, enjoy the meal. Gonna talk to you later. Take it easy, Chef. It's all good on the bayou. God dang. All right.